And this is the sort of thing I'll do, is I'll find a deck plate or a fitting and then restore it so it's nice and shiny, mirror finish. I'll show you what this one did look like on the other side. You can see that it's not got really a mirror finish, it's got acid burns on it. Those aren't watermarks, those are acid burns. So I'm going to show you how we would clean that up. So yeah, remove it from its thing. There we go. So now we're going to take this into the wash locker, where I've got my little setup. Okay, here's my little setup. So all you're going to need is a drill for these pieces, a buffing pad and wheel for this big plate, and some polish and some wet and dry sandpaper. This is 1500 wet and dry. It'll do just fine. So yeah, so basically I'm going to stick this in the drill like that, and I'm just going to hold it into the wet and dry, and already you can see it's pretty much buffed. It's just taking all the scratches out, a bit more, and already you can see that that is pretty mirror finish. Here, this is one of the old ones, this is one of the new ones, so you can see the difference in the shine. So if I put a bit of polish on there, this is just a 3M metal restorer. Boom. A little bit of that on a rag. And the drill is literally doing all the hard work. Mirror finish. There we go. One down, 3 down. Less scratches, just looks infinitely better. It is a little bit better, but now I'm going to use the polishing wheel. This is just a standard polishing, machine polish, buffing pad, which I've jury rigged, so I've just left it on the floor, turned it upside down, turn it on. I like to start with a bit slow because it freaks me out a bit. There you go, and then when you get a little bit happier with it, you can pick up the speed. Okay, so we're just gonna put a bit of polish on here. And because this wheel's spinning that way, I'm just gonna hold it this way. And now they'll polish it up nicely. Mirror finish. Okay. I'm pretty happy with the result of that. Like, I could have sanded it more, could have gone up the grits more, and it would have been a better finish. Oh yeah, that looks pretty nice. Boom. Stainless. Ding. See, nice and reflective. That's what we wanted in the first place. What will I do now? Probably some more stainless. Look how shiny it is now.